Hello everyone, I Dr. Pooja Sharma, working as an associate professor at Dhule Patel College of Physiotherapy, going to present you all about the kitchen ergonomics. As we all know, like nowadays we don't have any kind of domestic help, so we all need to, males as well as females, we need to work a lot in the kitchen. So that affects directly your neck, your upper back, your lower back and your knees. So for that we need to assume some good postures or some good some kind of modifications in your day-to-day routine activities so that you won't predispose to any pains or aches. It's not like that if you are not having any kind of pain and aches, so you don't need to do these kind of or acquire these kind of good habits. No, it's not like that. As we all know, like prevention is better than cure. So we all are, if we are healthy or we are having any kind of back and back pains or any kind of other aches and pains, we should follow all these ergonomic advices. Let's start with the platform, as we need to do a lot of activities on that. So your gas stove should not be too far from you or it should not be too close to you. If it's too far from you, then you need to bend a lot to do some kind of any kind of activity while cooking or while you are stirring something. So you need to bend a lot so that it gives you some kind of strain at your shoulder joint. You need to bend a lot from your back also. That will indirectly affect your knees. So, and if you keep your gas too close, then again you need to bend a lot. You need to assume a stoop posture, so that again that will affect your neck, your back and your knees. So better to keep your stove like this, so you don't need to do some kind of outreaching activity or you don't need to bend a lot. Next important thing, what wrong movement we does. Suppose if we want to lift something or keep it on other way, generally we does like this. So this is a wrong thing. While picking up some thing down, we are doing all those kind of this twisting and turning movement. So that also gives some kind of strain at your back. So better if you want to keep something down, better you lift it up and you just take one or two steps and you keep that thing on that particular place. And again, if you want to shift it, so again you should take one or two steps and you keep it there again. Next thing, what I have noticed in many of my patients, usually they do some kind of cooking activities and continuously they are using phone, so their neck in this position, and then they keep their legs like this, they do on phone and they do some kind of activities. This is the very wrong activity, because the complete strain comes on your knee and again your leg. One more important mistake, what we do while opening and closing of that trolley, we open it like this. So in that, as you can see, like I am bending directly from my back, and if we want to close it, generally we do by our knee. Again, this is a wrong thing. Once you want to open it, first you should come in that squat position, means you should bend from your knee, your hip and from your back, or else you can sit in this position and you should open your trolleys, and while closing also you should push it properly, so that that won't affect your back and your upper back and your knees. While washing utensils, you are not supposed to bend over the sink, means you should be in a proper posture and try to wash your utensils in a small amount only, so that there is no need to stand for a longer time period. If it is, then you can use this kind of small stool, so that you can keep your one leg on it while you wash your utensils. Don't forget to change your legs on the stool. Hope some modification in our kitchen organization. For that, we can keep our daily useful things at our reachful level. It should not be too up, so that we should be outreaching ourselves, or it should not keep too down so that we have to bend a lot. One more thing, what we can do, we can take breaks in between the other work, so that every 30 minutes you can take 5 to 10 minutes break. Including that, what you can do, suppose you want to make something, so all that preparation you can do in a proper resting position. Means it's not like that for the continuously you are standing, or you are chopping vegetables, you are preparing for the chapatis. So for what you can do, you can sit properly in a chair, table, and you can do all these preparation.